I'm Maya and I'm learning to transform a riverland in central Portugal into an off-grid sustainable homestead. The rain is here. Summer in Portugal is like heaven, but now the heavy rain season has arrived. Watch how the rain transforms the whole property as the storm unfolds and floods the whole river. When the excavator was here, he dug 2 trenches for me, so that not everything gets washed away again. Thank you, Casey. See you next time. So the rain countdown continues. Tomorrow it's supposed to start raining. So I have a lot of drainage trenches to make still. I'm going to start here at the gate. Okay, now I need to figure something out that the water can't wash this trench away. Let's see what I can use. So I'm going to use the good old membrane that I have and put some rocks on. So they ordered real gutters. They are not coming for some time. This is the ugliest thing I ever produced, but it's just temporary, as they say. So it's okay, right? Come on, rocks. I guess I'm gonna spread this little mountain into the driveway, as half the driveway got washed away in the last rain. Fun! I'm excited how this is gonna work. Let's go, rain! Now this is a bigger project. I'm going to try to make this into a nice drain trench so that the water doesn't go into the walls down here. Not very motivated to do this. These 3 stone houses are built into the hill, so it's important that no water is dripping into the walls. So the ditch needs to start high up so that we have a drop in the end. Alright, 1 meter is done. My friend Paul has come over. Paul is doing the fun part, the installation of the pipe into the water tank.
You've got a sharp saw though. You can find my sharp saw.
Oh, you brought one? Houses are going to love us. Finally removing these plants from the houses. Okay, so this looks kind of good, but in the middle here it's too high. So, time to smash some rocks. Yoo-hoo! Are you building a mini dam? Barragem. The basic trench is completed now. Let's clear the tank again, like I did last year, so that the rainwater can stay in the tank. Thanks for your help, Paul. I helped him on his roof actually in return. So maybe here's a good fireplace. Well, I'm kind of excited now for the rain to come, to see if this trench is working. Because of the cooler river climate, I'm able to still harvest grapes now, where in all the villages it's already over. And there's actually so much in there. Harvest mode. These tomatoes don't like the rain, so I'm just gonna pick them all. Thank you, dear tomatoes! Lovely! I mean, I didn't do a lot of gardening, so I'm super grateful for every little tomato and every little grape that came. Oh, I can feel the rain starting. It turns out I'm still not ready yet. So I'm bringing in some firewood, and also the concrete needs to go inside. Let's go! Did you know how steep my land is? You never really realize it until you need to push up a wheelbarrow. Ta-da! My wood cellar! So I'd like to get this step out, the stone, because now we are actually a bit lower here, so we don't need it. Yeah! What a beautiful stone. I will put it right here. And suddenly a new floor level. Yoo-hoo! The first rain on this roof. And this terrace is leaking, so I just put this membrane over. Unfortunately, no gutters yet. I hope the water still is gonna find its way through this channel down there. Alright, now the concrete and lime bags. Someone else wants to join the crew in here. It's becoming a little busy in here. That was my workout for this morning, I guess. So I'm gonna take a shower now in the rain. Alright, let's go into the rain. One trench is not working, so I'm gonna try to fix it. A little river is starting here, but this is okay. Wow! It's working quite well. That's a big flow, isn't it? But it's so much fun to be able to control where the water is flowing. So this is the problem trench. That doesn't really work. It does work a little bit. What is the problem? Trying hard to film me fixing it, but it just didn't work. I just fixed it so the walls wouldn't get wet. It's actually working. Now the water is flowing in the trench. So it was just this little hack to put the membrane actually where the water is dropping. It's flowing slowly, but surely. This is so stormy! I'm very glad I pointed the balcony before the rain. Alright, let's get back into the cabin. Wow. This is a stormy weather. It's just so loud in the cabin. This is all the action of this video, me watching the river. And I always feel like the rain is gonna wash away everything. Whoever thought this was not a river can now change their mind. I'm gonna float away, guys. Oh, I think I need to take away the pallets. Now it's an orange-brown river. It's amazing, it changes every minute. It's going so fast. Good morning! I'm gonna check again on all the houses and trenches. Wow, the tank is almost full. This is the overflow of the tank, and since it's going to be full very soon, I'm going to make this pipe a little bit longer so it doesn't go into the wall. Just in time, let's go overflow. Okay, I'd say this one works quite well. Everything used to go down the gate and now it's kind of stopped. This is where the pallets were, where we were swimming all summer. This little wood burner keeps me warm and happy, but the rain is just getting stronger and stronger. Seriously? This is right next to my house. I'm sleeping right here. I hope this wall is holding. Just for reference, this is how it looks in the summer. I can't believe the transformation. gotta get inside. This is so scary. People have told me that the river can actually come over the bank, but I hope that it just doesn't happen. But it might, who knows? It's still raining. This is a lot of power. I'm making a storm time marmalade. I'm trying to use up all the grapes that I harvested. Quite a scenic view. Oh my god, there was a huge trunk. Successful, 11 glasses of marmalade. It's so nice that the rain is giving us a little break now. Look who was here tonight. Wild boars, where did you come from? So while I was sleeping up there, the wild boars were just here. Luckily they didn't come up to the cabin, so it's all good. Thanks for watching.